Lesson 11. Subject-verb agreement. Let's observe analytical skills. Read the following sentences. 1. My uncle and aunt live in Florida. 2. Swimming on a full stomach is not advisable. 3. What makes me happy as their indifference to the announcements. What do you observe in the above sentences? Let's learn conceptual learning. The above sentences show subject-verb agreement. The main verb, finite, in a sentence must agree with the subject of the sentence in number and person. When the subject is a noun or a pronoun, the verb takes a form which agrees with its person and number. When the subject is a phrase or a clause, the verb takes a form which agrees with third person singular, it. Rules. 1. When two or more subjects are joined by and, the verb will be in the plural. Example, 5 goats and 3 hens are in the enclosure. 2. When two or more subjects are joined by either or neither nor, the verb agrees with the final subject. Examples, A. Neither Satish nor Pranay is happy. B. Neither Satish nor his parents are happy. 3. Collective nouns may be singular or plural, depending on their use in the sentence. Examples, The music is sensational tonight, refers to the orchestra as a whole. B. The musicians were asked to introduce themselves, refers to the individual members of the orchestra. 4. Some nouns look plural in form, but are singular in meaning. Such nouns will take a singular verb. Example, physics is my favorite subject. 5. If two subjects together express one single idea, the verb will be in the singular. Example, bread and jam was her favorite food. 6. Many indefinite pronouns such as each, every, someone, no one, anyone, everyone, etc. are singular in form and singular or plural in meaning. All of them take a singular verb. Examples, A. Everyone is looking forward to it. B. Someone has left this behind. 7. Words like some, any, all, most, etc. may be singular or plural depending on their use in a sentence. They take a singular verb when they refer to one person or a part of something. Examples, A. Some of the news was shocking. B. Some of the teachers are really young in the school. C. All of the tomatoes was used in the recipe. D. All of my neighbors were helpful. 8. Units of time, distance, money, measurement, etc. are usually singular if the amount is considered as 1 unit. Examples, A. 15 days is not enough time. B. 500 rupees is a lot of money for this purse. Grammar connect. The number of the subject, whether singular or plural, is not changed by the words that come between the subject and the verb.